Let's start our day with intention and gratitude. But why intention and gratitude? There is so much words out there, but why I chose those two? Being able to have an intention is an aim or plan that you are setting out to accomplish something that you want or even need. Well, the gratitude is obviously most important. It's being grateful to have another day to walk on that plan that you intend on accomplishing. Life is way too short to not enjoy every single moment, good or bad. I live my life one step or even a paddle at a time, with a clear vision and a deep horizon. My advice to you is don't sacrifice your happiness for others. If you have a goal to be accomplished or even a dream you want to fulfill, step out of your comfort zone and get it. Don't work for money, work for your freedom. Of course, it wouldn't be easy, but life is hard. Nothing good comes easy. It's right there, just needs your effort. Let's accomplish our goals together, even if yours is before mine. I really hope this video impacted your life in a positive way, and you like my video and stay tuned for more.